Boy, that dang Galvanize makes it pop and splatter like
Oh, it's nasty.
like you're not using gas.
Yeah.
They're horrible. I mean, like, I knew that, but it's been so long since I welded with it, I'd forgot, I guess, you know?
Yep.
All right. Let that cool off. We can bolt it back together.
And then you got to weld this on it.
What? Ah, son of a biscuit eater. That was warm. I do, but I want to put this all together and set it in the truck and make sure that that angle's right.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
Good call.